Bonjour French Chic ladies. We French women love our Breton tops, and for a very good reason. They suit almost everyone of all ages. You can wear them with absolutely everything, and I would say that they are the equivalent of the white t-shirt. Not many items of clothing that have been around for over 160 years can make you look younger and modern. Yet, the marinière manages to do just that. But prices can be high for this timeless staple. So if you want to look stylish without trying too hard and paying too much, please keep watching because I found you 5 pieces that you will be able to afford. And please stay to the end for a below the budget marinière. For the best bargain, we have this marinière from Boden at $40. Perfect for those on a very small budget. Cotton tops at Boden are very well made. An idea on how to wear your Breton top: wear simply with a white skirt and heel sandals for spring. Next, we have a Breton top at $44.95 from Jules. This marinière looks very French with its side splits and the stripes that don't run through the whole garment. 3 buttons on the left shoulder give it an eye-catching detailing. This is a great buy, again for a small budget. An idea on how to wear it: wear a white shirt under your marinière, add on a pair of navy pants and you're ready for your day, whether at home, at work, or your weekend, or even wandering the streets of Paris. And now for another great bargain, this time from J. Crew and for $49.50. This Breton top is striped throughout in a shorter length, and the boat neck gives it the French vibe. An idea on how to wear it: wear with wide leg jeans, white sneakers for an ultra relaxed Chanel style look. And now there would not be marinières without the French. So here are 2 of France's favorite brands for budgets under $100. Our next marinière is from Armor Luxe at $82. Armor Luxe is a brand from Brittany. I have 2 marinières from Armor Luxe, a navy and white and a white and indigo. The cotton is thick and it is soft and warm, just as it should be. You can actually wear this one the whole year round, either on its own or over your shoulders on the cooler evenings, or even as a layer in the cooler months. For a touch of originality, choose the marinière with a single stripe at the chest and the sleeves. Great for a conversation starter. For more ideas on how to wear a Breton top, please check out the description box below for my Breton top masterclass. Next, we have the Breton top from Saint-James at $89. Saint-James is a brand from Normandy, and they used to make the marinières for the French Navy back in the day. You can't get more authentic than that. For a timeless French chic look, wear your marinière with a trench coat, blue jeans and a pair of Converse. You can go anywhere in France wearing this, but just don't add a beret. And now for our below the budget Breton top, and this one is from the brand Mato for $300. This marinière is cut loose and shorter, but in a very good quality that will last. At $300, below the budget. Please let us know if you love wearing marinière and what is your favorite outfit. If you like this video, on screen now is a video I am sure you will enjoy.